Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Cześć and annyeong and good day. So, and howdy y'all, because this video has a little bit of howdy y'all in it, because I wouldn't normally do an unboxing on what I'm going to do, because, well, an unwrapping, because it's really boring, but half of this is going to, oh my god, America. The half of this is going to be going to the US of A. This is a bit of a collaboration between myself and Sam and another person that I can't say at the moment because it is a surprise, but part of this is going, half of it is going to the USA. There are two of the same item in here. One is going to stay here for me as a spare because I needed a spare, and the other half is going to cross the Atlantic sometime in the near future. I will do a video on it. Anyway, let's get you guys a little bit closer and you can have a look and see what is so not special. So here we have a very unobvious, plastic wrapping. Let's get the Stanley. I mean, nomine Christi. Open the bag. Amen. Oh, and then we have another one. Okay. Ah, okay. It's come as two sets. One set. Two sets. Now, this came from Spares to Go. And you had a discount on it if you bought two of them, so the two of them together came to £26.86, which works out at about £13.43 a set. These are non-genuine parts, but that's not a problem. So I'm just going to open one because I want to keep the other one for going to America, so I'm going to keep that as it is. I will have to open it, but it'll be in a future video because... And what do we got? We've got some complete Numatic spare parts. Let's take it out. Let's see what we got here. So let's get rid of that bit of plastic. First of all, we have a absolutely lovely, shiny top part of the hose handle, a wand, and a wand. Now these are kind of like brushed, whereas the handle though is nice and shiny, so it doesn't make any difference. Then we also get a floor head, which in my opinion is rather better than the genuine ones they sell, because this has got a lovely metal floor plate to it, velour strips and castellated brushes on the back and the front, so that's really good for letting in debris. Lovely big wide channel there on the side of the floor head. So all in all, it is not a bad floor head to use. Then we have scissors, knife, a dusting brush, which isn't as good as the genuine ones, I have to say, unfortunately, because the genuine ones have this lovely soft, I think they're sort of like more natural hairs, but as you can see, that does happen with them. The bristles on it do get sucked in a bit, whereas you wouldn't really get this problem with this one, but it's fine for dusting stuff. Then we have the little adapter, which is used for when you use it on the that fits straight onto it, but that fits onto it when you use it onto the hose. This is the other sort of more upholstery tool that does slide off, so you've got that end as well, or you can just slide on the brushes there. Nice stiff brushes. These are brilliant for in the car. Absolutely amazing for in the car. And finally, we have the hose itself. Oh, actually, hang on. Missed the crevice tool. Let me get rid of this plastic. And finally, we have the hose. Let's take off its protective sheath. Let's do it bareback. And there we go. So we have a Numatic Henry toolkit with the floor tool as well. Absolutely fantastic. Let's put this together. Like so. Let's put the floor head on. Like so. Let's attach this. Like so. Let's plug this into Henry. Just taking the old one off. Just screwing this one straight on. Switch it on. And there we go. Perfect. This head really works really well. I really like it. Put it on floor head, hard floor. Back onto carpets. Oh, it's got a good suction on it. Okay, let me unplug it. Now the only thing I wish I did have with this, but I will have to get some more spare ones, is the clip-on tool set. So you can clip the tools on. I thought I had... Oh yes, I do. I have one here. I haven't actually unboxed it yet, because this is what I wanted. It came with another tool set, but this is what I wanted, so I could clip on the tools. Oh god, that's stiff, but I ain't complaining. There we go. So that clips on, and then you can attach your tools, including the adapter hose that can fit in there, and then you have all your tools on the handle. So I wanted this because I am expecting a Numatic to come in the post. You guys will see some point in the near future, but I wanted a brand new hose for it. So I'll pop those spare tools there. So fantastic, there we go. I've got the whole set ready now to go on the Numatic that is coming to me from Dean Sharp. God, it's a beast. And I'm going to leave this now to one side for when that arrives, and then I'll do a video on it, and then use this lovely, absolutely lovely, non-original but still really nice, with the tool kit on there. I wish you could buy these tool kits, I'm sure I'll have to have a look and see if you can buy just this, because I really could do with a couple of these. They would make life a lot easier for me, especially with the George. I wouldn't mind one of these for all of the pneumatics that I have, to keep all the tools on it. Fantastic idea. Why they didn't do this years ago, I do not know. Anyway, so there we go. Very quick video for you guys today. This other set, which is going to remain in here until it goes to America. I'm not going to open this, but you will see this again at some point in the future for another video. So, lovely quick one for you today. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And I will see... Excuse me, I just burped. And again. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.